Dasuquin for dogs, vet approved for dog joint health. Dasuquin for dogs is a medication that's often used to treat joint aches and pains in dogs. If you're considering Dasuquin for dogs in any capacity, we're here to help. At Avenue Dogs.com, we want your furry friend to have a long and fulfilling life just as much as you. We regularly get asked about medications that can, and can't, be used for pets. Dasuquin for dogs is no different. While we don't claim to be a substitute for the advice of your personal vet, we can provide you with the info you need to jumpstart the decision-making process. Top 12 FAQs for Dasuquin for dogs. We're not here to waste your time. Today we'll be taking a quick look at Dasuquin for dogs, what it is, how it works, and why you might want to consider it for your furry friend. If after checking out our FAQs section, you still think Dasuquin for dogs is your best bet, we'll take a deeper dive further down in the article. So, let's get started. Number 1. What is Dasuquin for dogs? Dasuquin for dogs is a joint supplement designed to support healthy joints in dogs. It's scientifically researched and can be used as both a preventative and complementary treatment to maintain comfortable movement. Number 2. What makes Dasuquin for dogs unique? Dasuquin for dogs is unique because it includes proprietary formulations of avocado/soybean unsaponifiables, ASU, glucosamine HCl, and chondroitin sulfate. These help support joint function and normal metabolism and function of cartilage cells within joints. Number 3. How does Dasuquin for dogs work? Dasuquin supports normal joint function and stimulates cartilage regeneration, reducing inflammation and improving comfort for your dog. ASU prevents the breakdown of cartilage within joints and promotes the production of healthy cartilage. Dasuquin for dogs may take 4 to 6 weeks before improvements are visible. Number 4. What are the Dasuquin ingredients? The active ingredients are avocado/soybean unsaponifiables, glucosamine hydrochloride, low molecular weight chondroitin sulfate, and green tea extract. The Dasuquin ingredients prevent cartilage breakdown, repair damaged cartilage, reduce inflammation, and provide antioxidants. Number 5. What are the benefits of Dasuquin for dogs? The benefits of Dasuquin for dogs include supporting cartilage matrix production, slowing and preventing the destruction of cartilage, and providing anti-inflammatory effects and pain relief. Number 6. What are the cons of Dasuquin for dogs? Dasuquin for dogs can't repair the damage in a joint with advanced arthritis, so it's best to start treatment early on. Additionally, because it uses high-quality ingredients, Dasuquin for dogs can be more costly than similar products. Number 7. Dasuquin versus Dasuquin with MSM, what's the difference? Dasuquin with MSM is a version of the classic supplement that includes methylsulfonylmethane, MSM. MSM helps to reduce inflammation and block pain, and is important for healthy joints and cell protection. We'll take a deeper dive into Dasuquin versus Dasuquin with MSM further on in the article. Number 8. Dasuquin versus Dasuquin Advanced, what's the difference? Dasuquin Advanced includes everything in the MSM version, plus turmeric, alpha-lipoic acid, and manganese. These additional Dasuquin ingredients provide joint and antioxidant support, and reinforce cartilage matrix production. We'll take a deeper dive into Dasuquin versus Dasuquin Advanced further on in the article. Number 9. Dasuquin versus Dasuquin Advanced with ESM. What's the difference? Dasuquin Advanced with ESM is like the advanced version but with one additional ingredient, eggshell membrane, ESM. This additional Dasuquin ingredient helps increase joint comfort and function because ESM contains high glucosamine, chondroitin, collagen, and hyaluronic acid. We'll take a deeper dive into Dasuquin versus Dasuquin Advanced with ESM further on in the article. Number 10. How to determine the right Dasuquin dosage for my dog? Dosage depends on your pet's weight. Both glucosamine and chondroitin require loading doses, which means higher amounts need to be given initially, and then the medication can be tapered down with time. Your vet can advise safe dosages when it comes to your pet. Number 11. Are there any Dasuquin for dogs side effects? Dasuquin for dogs side effects aren't common but can include mild gas and softer stool. Additionally, drug interactions are possible, so ensure your vet knows about all your pet's medications and supplements. Number 12. Do you need a prescription for Dasuquin for dogs? No, a prescription is not required to purchase Dasuquin for dogs. However, it's recommended to consult with your veterinarian before starting your dog on any new supplement, including Dasuquin, to ensure it's safe and suitable for your pet's specific needs. So you think Dasuquin for dogs might be right for you and your pet? Great! Let's take a closer look at what it is and how it might be able to improve your dog's overall quality of life. What is Dasuquin for dogs? Dasuquin for dogs is a scientifically researched joint supplement created by Nutramax Laboratories. The product is designed to support healthy joint function in dogs of all ages. Its unique blend contains avocado/soybean unsaponifiables, ASU, glucosamine hydrochloride, and low molecular weight chondroitin sulfate, which aim to slow cartilage breakdown, support cartilage repair, and provide anti-inflammatory benefits. Green tea extract is also included for its antioxidant properties. Dasuquin for dogs is considered a preventative and complementary treatment, helping to maintain comfortable mobility throughout a dog's life. It's one of the top veterinarian-recommended joint supplements currently available. What does Dasuquin for dogs do? Dasuquin for dogs functions by supporting the normal metabolism and function of cartilage cells within joints. It aims to stimulate cartilage regeneration, which subsequently reduces inflammation and improves joint comfort in dogs. The supplement also prevents the breakdown of cartilage within joints. By enabling a synergistic relationship with other ingredients, it promotes the production and retention of healthy cartilage within inflamed joints. Therefore, it plays a crucial role in maintaining normal joint function and supporting overall joint health in dogs, making it an effective choice for managing joint-related issues in dogs of all ages. The Dasuquin ingredients and how they help. The Dasuquin ingredients each play a significant role in promoting the health and well-being of your pet. Here's a list of Dasuquin ingredients and how they contribute to your dog's overall health. Glucosamine hydrochloride, 900 mg. Glucosamine is a natural compound found in healthy cartilage. It supports the maintenance and health of your pet's joints and promotes overall mobility and flexibility. Sodium chondroitin sulfate, 350 mg. This is another compound naturally present in cartilage. It works by helping inhibit cartilage-breaking enzymes. Its supplementation can restore joint function and slow down the progression of osteoarthritis. Avocado/soybean unsaponifiables, ASU, powder, 90 mg. ASU is a patented blend of avocado and soybean oils that may have direct anti-inflammatory effects and help repair cartilage. Research suggests that ASU enhances the positive effects of glucosamine and chondroitin. Boswellia serrata extract, 40 mg. Boswellia serrata, also known as Indian frankincense, is an herbal extract taken from the Boswellia serrata tree. It is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to support joint health. Green tea extract, 32 mg. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and potentially slow cartilage breakdown. Inactive Dasuquin ingredients. Dasuquin for dogs also contains other ingredients like glycerin, lecithin, mixed tocopherols, preservative, natural flavor, rosemary extract, silicon dioxide, soy protein isolate, starch, and vegetable oil. These ingredients generally contribute to the product's palatability, preservation, and consistency. Dasuquin combines these potent ingredients to create a comprehensive solution for supporting joint health in dogs. Dosages for Dasuquin for dogs. It's important to note that Dasuquin does not work immediately. There is a loading period during which a higher dosage is administered to achieve sufficient concentrations of the active ingredients within the joints. This period typically lasts for 4 to 6 weeks. After this period, the dosage can be reduced to a maintenance level. Generally speaking, these are the dosages the manufacturer recommends for classic Dasuquin for dogs. Initial 4 to 6 weeks, loading period. Small to medium dogs, 10 to 29 pounds, 1 soft chew per day. Small to medium dogs, 30 to 59 pounds, 2 soft chews per day. Large dogs, 60 to 120 pounds, 2 soft chews per day. Suggested maintenance level, after the loading period. Small to medium dogs, 10 to 29 pounds, 1 soft chew every other day. Small to medium dogs, 30 to 59 pounds, 1 soft chew per day. Large dogs, 60 to 120 pounds, 1 soft chew per day. The exact dosage for your dog will depend on their weight and the specific type of Dasuquin being administered: classic Dasuquin, Dasuquin with MSM, Dasuquin Advanced, or Dasuquin Advanced with ESM. Therefore, it's crucial to consult with your vet for the exact dosage and product most suitable for your dog's needs. What if I miss a dose of Dasuquin for dogs? If you miss a dose of Dasuquin for dogs, it's generally recommended to give the missed dose as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for the next dose, skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. Avoid giving your dog 2 doses at once to make up for a missed dose. How is Dasuquin for dogs administered? Dasuquin for dogs is administered orally and can be given as a treat or mixed with food. It comes in 2 forms, chewable tablets and soft chews. The form you choose just depends on your dog's preference. What alternatives are there for Dasuquin for dogs? There are several alternatives to Dasuquin for dogs available in the market. In particular, the same manufacturer, Nutramax Laboratories, offers a variety of Dasuquin formulas and a similar product named Dasuquin. Each product has unique characteristics that may make it more or less suitable for your pup's specific situation. Here are some potential alternatives to classic Dasuquin for dogs. Dasuquin with MSM. Dasuquin Advanced. Dasuquin Advanced with ESM. Dasuquin DS plus MSM. Each of these products has its own pros and cons. It's important to consider these points when deciding on the best joint health supplement for your pet. Dasuquin versus Dasuquin with MSM. Dasuquin with MSM is an enhanced version of the classic Dasuquin supplement. This version includes methylsulfonylmethane, MSM, a compound that helps to reduce inflammation and block pain. MSM is a source of sulfur, which is an important molecule in the makeup of collagen, a part of healthy joints. It's also important in glutathione, an antioxidant that protects against cell damage. Dasuquin versus Dasuquin Advanced. Dasuquin Advanced contains everything that the MSM version has, with the addition of turmeric, alpha-lipoic acid, and manganese. These ingredients provide joint and antioxidant support and reinforce cartilage matrix production. Dasuquin versus Dasuquin Advanced with ESM. Dasuquin Advanced with ESM adds one additional ingredient to the advanced version, eggshell membrane, ESM. ESM is high in glucosamine, chondroitin, collagen, and hyaluronic acid, all of which increase joint comfort and function. Dasuquin versus Dasuquin DS plus MSM. Dasuquin DS plus MSM is a similar product to Dasuquin, also produced by Nutramax Laboratories. Dasuquin for dogs contains glucosamine, chondroitin, and MSM. Dasuquin can be a cost-effective alternative to Dasuquin, although it lacks some of the additional ingredients found in the Dasuquin formulas. While Dasuquin is a popular and effective choice for supporting canine joint health, there are several alternatives with slightly different formulations that might be a better fit for your dog's specific needs. It's important to consult with your veterinarian to determine the best choice for your pet. When will you see results from Dasuquin for dogs? Like all supplements, Dasuquin for dogs takes time to build in your pup's system. The time it takes to see results can vary based on the individual dog's condition, size, age, and overall health. As a general guideline, some pet owners may notice an improvement in their dog's mobility and comfort levels within a few weeks of starting Dasuquin. For others, it may take up to 6 weeks or longer to see noticeable results. It's also important to note that Dasuquin is not a cure for joint problems but is intended to support joint health and comfort. Ideally, Dasuquin for dogs should be used as preventative care. Dasuquin for dogs side effects. Dasuquin for dogs contains ingredients that are typically well tolerated by dogs. However, like any supplement or medication, it can potentially cause side effects. Here are some possible Dasuquin for dogs side effects that may be observed. Gastrointestinal upset. This can include symptoms like diarrhea, vomiting, or changes in appetite. These side effects are often mild and transient. Allergic reactions. Though rare, some dogs might be allergic to the ingredients in Dasuquin, leading to symptoms such as itching, hives, or difficulty breathing. Changes in behavior. Some pet owners have reported changes in their dog's behavior, such as increased lethargy or irritability, though these are not common. Interactions with other medications. Dasuquin can potentially interact with certain medications, altering their effectiveness. While not a side effect per se, it's important to consider if your dog is on other medications. It's worth noting that Dasuquin is generally considered safe for dogs when used as directed. Serious Dasuquin for dogs side effects are rare, and most dogs tolerate the supplement well. Are there any risk factors for Dasuquin for dogs? Dasuquin is generally safe for most dogs. But, there can be certain risk factors that could potentially make its use less suitable or require more careful monitoring. Here are some of the possible risk factors. Existing medical conditions. Dogs with certain health conditions, like diabetes or liver disease, may be more sensitive to the effects of Dasuquin or any other supplements. Age. Older dogs may have more health issues and may be on other medications, which could potentially interact with Dasuquin. Pregnancy and lactation. The effects of Dasuquin on pregnant or lactating dogs have not been thoroughly studied, so keep a close eye on your pup if this is the case. Risk factors with Dasuquin for dogs are minimal, but should be considered if your pup falls into one of the above categories. Speak with your vet if you have concerns about any of the above risk factors. Are there any drug interactions with Dasuquin for dogs? The possibility of drug interactions always exists when your pet is taking multiple medications or supplements. If you're considering giving your dog Dasuquin, it's important to inform your veterinarian about all other medications and supplements your pet is currently taking. How to store Dasuquin for dogs. Dasuquin for dogs, like other supplements and medications, should be stored properly while not in use. Here are a few tips recommended by the FDA. Keep it in its original container. The original packaging is designed to protect the product from moisture and light, both of which could degrade the product. Store in a cool, dry place. High temperatures and humidity can degrade the product. Avoid storing it in places like the bathroom or above the stove, where it could be exposed to heat and moisture. Keep out of reach of pets and children. While Dasuquin is generally safe, consuming it in large quantities could potentially cause adverse effects. Ensure it's stored in a location that pets and children cannot easily access. Check the expiry date. Like all medications and supplements, Dasuquin will have an expiry date. Be sure to dispose of any product that has passed its expiry date, as it may not be as effective. Always follow any specific storage instructions provided on the product packaging or given by your veterinarian. Dasuquin for dogs reviews. Dasuquin for dogs reviews from pup owners is overwhelmingly positive, demonstrating how this product has made a real difference in the lives of their dogs. Dasuquin may make your dog more spunky. Alex P. noticed a significant change in his dog Bear's energy levels after using Dasuquin. Bear was initially sluggish and reluctant to jump, but after 2.5 to 3 weeks on Dasuquin, he was more energetic and resumed his playful activities like zooming around the yard and wrestling at the dog park. While not a total change, the owner noticed a substantial difference and was pleased with the product. Trusted this with 2 dogs now. Douglas Vaughn has used Dasuquin for 2 of his dogs, both of whom were facing hip issues. The product was recommended by his vet and successfully resolved the issues in both dogs. The owner found the product worth the investment. The Zoomies came back. An Amazon customer reported a remarkable improvement in their 13-year-old dog's mobility and energy levels after using Dasuquin. Their dog, who had been diagnosed with an arthritic shoulder, showed a significant decrease in limping and even exhibited bursts of energy like a young pup. The owner was highly impressed with how Dasuquin improved the quality of life for their dog. 11-year-old lab boxer loves them. Stephanie Kinsman's 11-year-old lab boxer mix had mobility issues, but after a year on Dasuquin, there was a significant improvement. The dog was able to jump on the bed and couch easily and loved the taste of the supplement. Stephanie plans to continue using the product given the positive impact it had on her dog. Helps my dog keep moving. An Amazon customer's 3-legged lab/pit mix, who lost a leg in an accident as a puppy, has been able to maintain his mobility into his 8th year thanks to Dasuquin. The owner believes that the product has played a significant role in the dog's ability to keep moving and is hopeful for many more active years. These Dasuquin for dogs reviews, as well as thousands of others, make it clear that it has been a game changer for many dogs facing mobility issues. The experiences of these satisfied customers suggest that new users can expect similar positive results for their pets. Where can you buy Dasuquin for dogs? We always suggest shopping directly through Amazon so you know you're getting a product that's validated as the real deal. You can get Dasuquin for dogs with your regular cart order, set reminders for when to buy again, and feel good about the ability to return a product at any time. A 2 to 3 month supply of Dasuquin for dogs chewable treats will cost you around $50 to $60. That comes out to less than $1 a day if you buy one bag at a time. You can also opt to order in bulk to save a bit more money. Note, because Dasuquin for dogs is so popular, it's often discounted by third-party sources. If a price sounds too good to be true, then it probably is. You might be saving a few bucks but risking your dog's health with a product that's expired. Or just plain fake. Final thoughts on Dasuquin for dogs. Dasuquin for dogs is a well-trusted and vet-recommended solution for maintaining optimal joint health. It can be used to treat mild joint pain in pups of all ages, and is ideal for preventative care, especially if you have a breed that's known for joint issues.